What if the next big upgrade in foldable phones isn't a feature? Not the camera, not the performance, but something as simple as a color. Because this new Galaxy Z Fold 8 leak might look subtle at first, but it tells a much bigger story. A brand new leak just came out, and this might be Samsung's most unexpected move yet. And this time, it's not about specs, it's about design. More specifically, a new color called Mocha Gray. Now, at first, you might think it's just another color, right? But here's the thing. In the world of premium smartphones, color isn't just about looks, it's about identity. According to the leaked tech insider Anthony, Samsung is planning to bring this Mocha Gray finish to the Fold 8. And interestingly, this color was previously used on Samsung's enterprise laptops. And this isn't random, it's intentional. Samsung is taking a color that represents professionalism, minimalism, and premium design and bringing it to a foldable phone. Take a look at the device. Closed, it looks clean, almost understated, but unfold it, and suddenly it transforms into something much bigger, a tablet-like experience, wrapped in a sleek, matte gray finish. And that's where the magic happens, because foldables aren't just about technology anymore. They're about experience. How the phone feels in your hand, how it looks on a table, how it represents you. The Mocha Gray color gives off a completely different vibe compared to flashy colors. It's calm, confident, almost luxury-like, and paired with the Fold's large display, feels more like a professional tool than just a smartphone. And this might actually signal a shift. Samsung could be positioning the Fold 8 not just as a tech gadget, but as a premium lifestyle device, something you carry not just for features, but for presence. Now, of course, this is still a leak. Nothing is officially confirmed yet. Designs can change, colors can be adjusted, but leaks like this often give us a glimpse into what's coming. And if this is real, then the Fold 8 isn't just evolving, it's maturing from a bold experimental device to something more refined, more intentional. So now I want to hear from you. Do you like this Mocha Gray look? Or do you prefer more bold, eye-catching colors? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.